You're all set. Let's go. In 300 feet, turn
Really?
left on County Road 61.
Attack of the Giant Moth. Well, it is currently
Turn left on County Road 61.
3:38. And here we go again. To North Carolina
In 2 miles, turn left on State Route 71.
in an attempt to retrieve my boat and camping gear. Probably going to be a solid 20 hours of drive time over the next 2 days. 7:33 local time. Sun hasn't come up yet, but we got to stop at Tim's. You met Tim in the Yukon series. My boat and camp gear from the Yukon series is still at Tim's house. We've had a few little hiccups in trying to get up there to get them. This will be, is this 4 or 5 trips to North Carolina for me this year?
I'm not sure. It's my second one. Second trip.
Came
to go
in
get a boat.
January. We came. No, this will be 4, I think. Came in January. Came in July, dropped my boat and stuff off. Came back in September to try to pick my boat and stuff up. Failed trip, but we still made it to North Carolina.
Now we're going in October.
Oh wait, me and Shannon came and picked her car up,
Oh, yeah.
and now this one. So this is my 5th
This
trip
is
to
your
North
5th
Carolina since January. So yeah, fun stuff. But then when we pick my boat up at Tim's, we're also going to be loading up another
Watch out.
boat.
Hazard reported ahead.
All right. We're also going to be loading up another boat to deliver to Pete of the River Kings channel. And we're going to go drop off a boat with him and
Get my boat.
and pick up Josh's boat that he has bought
From Pete.
from Pete. This is just Brad's boat delivery service, I guess. It works. What are you most excited for?
Getting my boat finally.
Getting his boat. Yeah, you bought this boat in what? The end of August or 1st of September?
It's been a while.
Yeah, and here we are, October the 21st, and we're just now getting up here to get it. So,
Pete's been very patient.
yes. We made it to Tim's. I forgot we haven't given an update or anything. We didn't
Right.
film any at Tim's.
What the heck?
We made it to Tim's, picked up my boat on this side, Pete's boat on that side,
Technically, it's my boat right now.
and we're about 20 minutes away from Saxby Campground. We're going to go ahead and get checked in there, get Josh's tent set up or whatever, kind of hammock, whatever he decides to do. I'm just sleeping in my truck.
I guess if I really wanted to camp, I could just sleep cover up with a blanket on the ground.
Or,
But
you could pull a cam and just sleep under the leaves.
Yeah.
As of right now, it appears that everything made it. I didn't see my life jacket in that box.
I didn't even look in your box.
I just glimpsed in it, but my life jacket was always on the top.
147 for North Carolina 87 toward Graham, Pittsburgh.
You might not have a life jacket.
I might not have a life jacket either.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah, because that was a really good life jacket, and it may be down in there. 147 right here.
147, then
Yeah.
turn right onto North Carolina 87
Exit Red
south.
2 exit 87, North Carolina 87 toward Graham, Pittsboro.
I don't know if y'all can hear the GPS
900
direction
feet.
devices,
Use the right lane to turn right on North Carolina 87 south toward Pittsboro.
but Brad's is telling us and mine's telling us. Ain't nothing like a bunch of women
Turn
telling
right
you
on
what
North
to do and where
Carolina
to drive.
87 south toward Pittsboro.
Interrupting your
North Carolina 87 south for 10 miles.
interrupting your conversations to tell you what to do.
That's Josh. Send all complaints to Josh
Continue straight for 12 minutes on the road.
at Josh CK.
93.
Arrived at your destination.
I'm assuming we're going down here.
Probably. Look at there. There he is. You just gonna make it difficult. You could have backed down here.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
I guess you didn't see the text.
No.
Sit back into the. Good to see you. Hey, nice to meet you. Likewise.
I'll let you sit up front if you want. That way
No, jump up there.
That way you can direct traffic.
I like. I don't know you guys. I don't trust you. But I like to be behind you.
Well, don't go digging around that green bag then.
Okay.
What's in the green bag?
I put my pistol in there.
Oh.
Might have to keep my eye on him.
Want me to ground guide you?
No, I can get it.
We
think
backed
that-
into some hairy places.
Josh has got to move his arm.
Yeah, that's I was putting it there like
I can't do it looking
You have to
looking
choose
at the
one or
trailer.
other.
No, I can't do it looking at the trailer. I have to do it looking in the mirrors
I got
because I drove a little Debbie truck for so long pulling a trailer.
you. Yeah.
I got to where I could stick one about anywhere. I could stick one in places that a lot of people couldn't park cars. But the problem is I can't turn around and look at it and do it.
Right on.
Bro. Yeah, he's pretty good at it.
Easy now. I put it in 4-wheel drive, keep from spinning your gravels, and now it's wanting to spin the gravels because they're cutting it. There we go.
Oh yeah.
All right, which way we go down here?
Right.
We were looking for the River King World Headquarters sign out here.
Oh, I had to keep it a little low key.
Oh,
You're lucky
mind
the
you.
gate guard was off today.
Oh yeah. The GoPro's going up here.
Yeah.
It just doesn't flash. So
I figured you'd have one going.
Well, I got it with me. I don't have it going yet.
There we go. We got some battery going now. Well, Pete, it was good to
Absolutely.
finally get to paddle with you. We've only been working on this for what, about 4 years now?
Yeah, I was gonna say 4 or maybe 5, 4,
Yeah.
at least 4 years.
At least, yep. Got Josh's boat
Got me a boat.
headed back to Alabama finally.
He tested it today. It does work.
Yeah,
Does work.
yeah. It doesn't find rocks as well as mine though.
No.
Yours is unique as far as the ability to find those rocks.
Rock eater.
Yeah.
I don't think there was a chance for us to get on one of the rocks because he was already.
I was
He's in the way.
Well, all right.
Oh.
We're fixing to head on back to camp and then head on back to Alabama in the morning.
Yeah.
Right on drive.
Well, y'all be safe.
We'll try.
Yeah.
Can't wait till the next time, guys.
Heck yeah.
Have a good one.
Yep.
Be
See you,
good.
mate.
Have
Dang it. We're driving along, singing a song. Happy days are here.
Maybe we'll get past these trees and see it.
Pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Look at
Can you
it.
see that? Look at it. Would you just look at it? I know it's bouncing, but okay.
I zoomed out to get more stuff.
I know y'all probably can't see, but we've got cars lined up behind us for a good mile.
Yeah, at least a mile.
A good mile that we can see, because there is one car up here in front of this truck and stuff that's just riding in the lane running 70 miles an hour. That's what I'd like to do.
I ain't ate a dehydrated meal. I don't know when.
If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures.
You got something in your box?
I got some in my box, but
Remember to get out and find your own
they're all
adventure,
the ones you gave me,
because
but
even
you
bad
couldn't get no
adventures
more.
make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us
But
today, guys.
I carried a meal per day